Hello everyone, today let us introduce this Shape EMS machine for you, and this machine is good for the body slimming and muscle building. And when you visit the machine, you will receive these two handles, and you will receive the bandage for these handles. And before you use this machine, please read the instruction manual very carefully and know that what is the warning thing and what is the many things you need to notice and pay attention when you do the operation and before do it. And when you start the machine, please don't put these two handles on these cases because it is forbidden. It's very forbidden because this machine, when you operate it, you need to take off all of the mental things such as the watches, such as the accessories and everything related to mental. It is forbidden because it has very strong power and it is cannot touch with the mental things. And do not put these two handles together or this way when you operate it because it is still forbidden as well. And now let's see how to use this machine, okay? The first thing that when you operate this machine, you need to pull off the two handles, pull off them and let it separate. And when you turn on, let's see, turn on the machine. And let me introduce how this is. You can see there's two patterns for you. The first one is the octo pattern, and the second one you can choose for the type. It's the kind for the first time or ongoing treatment, and you can choose the gender for female, male, for the age group, and for the area you do, or for others of the abandons, etc. And then you can choose start, and then you turn on this one. You can adjust it the strength, the power, and we adjusted you put the power on the 30 for the first time, and you can adjust the power when your clients are feeling. When you operate, you can ask the clients for the feeling. And for the time, you can adjust it. We set it as the normal time, 15 minutes. You can adjust it to 30, and when you finish, it will be turned off. And the second pattern is for this one. It is the handmade pattern. You need to adjust it everything. The first thing for the strength, also you can choose it. We suggested you can make from 30, and this 1, 2, 3 is for the frequency. For the frequency, you can choose just like this one or this one. Also, this is for time. You can adjust it, and when you're doing this is setting, when you're doing the operating, we suggested you do it from the lower to the higher, etc. And then when you're doing it, you can ask your clients for the feeling and adjust it immediately. And if your client feel is hurt or something, you can just lower it, okay? And turn back, you can see the setting. You can see that you can choose the language such as the English or the Spanish, etc. for Japanese, etc. for the language you like. And for the sound, you can the brightness, for the time, and this is the setting for this machine. Let's turn back to the setting for the English, okay? You can see that. Okay, let's start to see how to use this machine. Choose the one according to your client. The strengthening, you can choose it from 30, 30, etc. Okay, and start it. And when you will hear the sound, just like you hear the sound. You hear it. This sound is working. And you turn back the pattern 2, still choose the strength, the power from 30 and for the frequency you can choose it. And you also you can hear is etc. Okay, that's enough for this machine. And also, when you operate this machine, do not put the handle to your body, just like the level part and the buns. You need to escape this part and do it in the part you need. Okay? Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.